Good morning everyone. Myself Raghu, Sales Director in Printjet Solutions. We are associated with Lynx, a Danaher Corporation, a Fortune 200 group company, and we are representing Lynx product identification and marking division products, and we are already promoting Lynx CIJ, and currently we are assembled here to launch the Lynx TT range of products. I would like to take you through some of the USPs of Lynx. So Lynx basically working towards most of the reliability and increasing the uptime and ease of use as their and low cost ownership as their three of technology pillars. I'll be taking you through Lynx total cost of ownership of these products. So when it comes for total cost of ownership, Lynx is one of the best product in the industry where it will allow most of the cost savings to the customer. So how do Lynx achieve the cost of ownership in Lynx TT range of products? So basically it does not require any compressed air to operate this machine, unlike some of the other brands. Actually will have a high maintenance and there is an initial cost to it, and you need to periodically check the compressed air machines. So that actually will attract most of the maintenance cost. So it operates without any compressed air. We have range of printers and range of ribbons across to support the customer needs. So we have colored ribbons, we have food grade ribbons, and we have other range of ribbons in black color and regular colors as well. The third aspect of Lynx cost saving, so we have 3 ribbon saving modes across 3 models. And basic model comes with only 1 ribbon saving mode called as radial ribbon saving. Another 2 models comes with 2 more ribbon saving modes called interleaved and intermittent stripes. With that, the customer running cost is optimized to the extent possible. And also Lynx is having bidirectional stepper motors. One is to control the tension of the ribbon and also to utilize and minimize the gap between the 2 prints. And the second technology pillar is increased uptime. So always many of the customers will think and how to optimize the production downtime. So Lynx is at it and they reduce the downtime to a greater extent. And I would like to tell you how uptime is actually increased in this machine. So basically these touchscreens are 10 inch and 5 inch, and this in the touchscreens. So we have a ribbon level indication. That means how much level of ribbon is consumed, how much is left over. In ideal condition, the ribbon level is indicated in percentage. When it is in running condition, it will show you how many prints you can take or how long it will run. With which the operator is aware of the next ribbon change so that the extra downtime is avoided. And the second thing is that we have ribbon length ranging from 400 meters to 1200 meters. One of the highest in the industry. And the third aspect is that we can change the ribbons quickly and easily because we have a simplest cassette design and that is lightest in the weight, and also the ribbon path is so simple that anybody can change the ribbon within fraction of seconds. And after that again with the bidirectional stepper motors, the tension will be auto controlled. With all of these things, the uptime is increased actually. Apart from that, we have a print head health check facility wherein you can identify whether there is a problem with the print head or whether there is any issue with the dirt. So it will be easy for our operator to clean immediately if there is a dust issue. And then the printhead replacement is also very easy. The printhead replacement does not require any tools, screws, and with the help of a simple magnetic mechanism, you can just remove and plug and play the printhead. It is so easy. With all these things, the uptime is increased to a greater extent. Now we'll talk about the third USP of the Lynx TT range printer, that is ease of use. So it should be like easy to use. So we have designed the user interface very easily with a graphical representation of the icons, so that any operator can use the icons easily and operate the system. So one of the USP is that simple UI, and second is that based on the application you need to position the printhead that requires some hardware. But in the case of Lynx, we have an electronic printhead positioning option. In the intermittent mode, you can position the printhead by 50 mm. In the continuous mode, you can position the printhead by 72 mm. And we have a unique facility wherein we can monitor the print quality of the print has already been printed. So how do Lynx achieves it? Lynx is having a light box with an inbuilt lens. With that, the printer can determine whether the quality is optimized or not. If the quality is not good, it will report to the operator that the quality is not good, so that you can avoid lot of the wastage of the material. As we already discussed in the uptime, it is very easy to replace the ribbon because of the simple cassette system. And also the operator front, they need to do the routine maintenance. One is printhead cleaning, and if required, the printhead to be replaced. And these two things we have incorporated as a video in the video tutorials. 2 videos are available for it. Thank you, and I would like to say thank you to everyone in the Lynx family as well, and hoping to have a good business. Thank you very much.
Code economically. Code efficiently. PrintJet Solutions. Coding and marking solutions with utmost quality and care.